we go. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So yesterday's video, aka a video I just filmed this morning, was me going to home at Bargains, and whilst I was there I picked up some things. I've just had some lunch, I've got myself a coffee, a rather delightful. Cheers to you if you also have one. What are you drinking? I've got myself a flat white with hazelnut syrup in it. You can't even see it, I don't know why I'm saying that. It looks very frothy. In fact, let me show you. Like, do you see that? That looks delightful, doesn't it? What would be better would be a little Biscoff dunk in it, but you know, this is all I have. Anyway, I said in that video I was going to give a haul. Here I am, sat on my living room floor. Can I pick this up? Not really. How did I carry this much stuff around the store? That's what I want to know. It was a struggle. I was actually really struggling. I should have had a trolley, but I didn't. So I picked up a t-shirt from the charity shop this morning as well. I went out and filmed that at the same time. I thought it was blooming Monday and it wasn't. So anyway, picked up these are what I actually wanted from Home Bargains. I wanted these and tissue paper. Did I forget the tissue paper? Yes, but I'm thrilled to have these, and you'll be seeing why I bought these in my next video probably, because I'm going to do a little DIY with these. It was a 60 pack. I think it was £1 something or other. I asked for my receipt. Where have I put that? Haha, there it is. £1.49. What a steal. So these are the 7 centimeters by 6 centimeter ones. I was going to buy 8 centimeter ones from B&Q next door if they didn't have these, but actually this will be fine. So £1.49 for those. I also picked up these are £10 parcel, little tab things. Do you know what, I'm usually a powder girly just because it's so much cheaper, but these are delightful. I went for powder last time and I thought treat yourselves, let's go for these. Tommy also likes having them pieces. It encourages him to do washing because he could just chuck one of those in instead of having to think about the powder. In all honesty, in my opinion, it takes the same amount of time, but we've gone with these again. These are my favourite. They don't leave my skin irritated. I get really sensitive skin when it comes to fabric conditioners and stuff like that. Like, I can't use Lenore. It's really annoying because Lenore always has the nicest scents. For some reason I can use the Comfort. I don't know. I can't use Fairy either, and I know if other people have washed their stuff with Fairy, say if my mum's washed something with Fairy and then lends me a jumper to wear, I know the next day it's gonna be bad for me and I've got to rewash everything. And yeah, anyway, this here, these are really good. It was £10 for the pack of 54. I've just decanted them into a glass jar. I thought, oh, for goodness sake, I was gonna film that, but oh well. What I do is I just take half the bag out, put them in a big, like, it's actually a spaghetti jar by my washing machine, and I just use that, and then I go into the cupboard and use the rest. Also on the cleaning front, I picked up 2 method cleaners. These were £2.29 each. We've got this one here, the eucalyptus mint. This one's my favourite for the bathroom. When I spray this now, it smells like clean bathroom, and this is the only one that I use besides bleach and washing up liquid. That's all I use in the bathroom. I just spray that on the shower, on the toilet seats, on like the shelves and stuff, just to keep it like clean in between big cleans. And then this one here is the all-purpose cleaner peach blossom. This time I typically switch out between this one and the rhubarb one for the kitchen and the living room, and we've gone with the peach this time because I had the rhubarb last time. They're the 2 sprays I really like the most, and again, that there with bleach and washing up liquid. Do you need anything more in your house? I don't think so, but so I got those in there. It's much cheaper than going in to like Tesco or something. Picked up a few birthday cards. I didn't buy Mother's Day cards. That's actually what I went out for. I couldn't find any, and then when I got to the till, the lady in front of me, she had some, and I was like, should I ask her where she found them? And I thought no, because I can't go back with all that stuff because I couldn't hold it all. That Home Bargains was amazing. Anyway, so birthday cards. I got Peppa Pig, a 3 for my niece. I got a Hello Kitty for my other niece whose birthday is the day after, and then I got an uncle birthday card because it's my uncle's birthday too. So that's this month's birthdays. So some cards at the ready. Also picked up a gift bag. This one here is just from the Mother's Day section, 69p on that. Barg. I feel like this is how much cards and a gift bag should be, as opposed to going to Tesco and stuff, because let's face it, Tesco, so expensive. You're talking like £2-3 for a card, and it's really blooming annoying. Makeup wipes, how much were these? I don't think they were more than £2. I've lost my receipt. It was under the cards. What are they? Johnson's, £1.49 again. So again, cheaper than buying them in Boots and that sort of stuff. I think they're usually £2 on offer in there. So pick those up. Those are the ones that I like the best. I always say that. I then picked up a disinfectant. This is just the coconut Astonish one, and this was 99p, I think. Yep, 99p. And I just use this outside just to mix it up with you know, in a B&Q bucket with my hose, and then chuck it down, and that does the job. Coconut smelling lovely at the moment. Speaking of coconut, I also picked up the giant body wash that I saw in there. How cool does that look? It smells very coconutty. I usually buy my mum the Soap and Glory coconut one. She really likes coconut scented things. That smells so good, like a sweet coconut. It says coconut and marshmallow, but I don't know, I really like that. So I bought that for my mum for Mother's Day, and that's going to go in that gift bag with a few other things. So that there was £2.49 for that litre bottle. And how cute is that bottle? I love that colour on there as well. So I'm going to put that in a gift bag with these and these. So that's cute, isn't it? Then I'm going to get Ray a voucher to go to the cinema because she really likes Peaky Blinders, and Peaky Blinders have a new movie out. So I'm going to buy her tickets to that, and whether or not she wants to take me along with her is going to be down to her. But Mum, if you're watching this, I'm up for going. I picked up some more of the Dr. Pepper cream swirl. I was talking about this and then I spied it in the cans. I was like, yes. I was wondering if they did have it, because sometimes they have the new drinks in Home Bargains. I tried this last week in a bottle, found it in a random Premier shop as I was walking by. It tastes delightful. It is kind of what the Pepsi Max cream soda wishes it could be, you know, so vanilla-y, so delightful. If you like Dr. Pepper anyway, then you're going to like this, and especially if you like vanilla. It's very much cream soda-y Dr. Pepper, even more so than the cream soda Dr. Pepper, if that makes sense. It's so good. Knock your socks off good. 10 out of 10 vanilla-y taste. Definitely tastes better chilled, so I'd recommend putting them in the fridge or the freezer for like 20 minutes before drinking it, because I had one at room temperature. It was good, but it wasn't as good as when it was like freezing cold, you know. And while still on the drinks, I also bought the bar peach punch. Do you know what? These are fantastic. These taste exactly the same as the Monster peach punch. Is it peach punch? Wait, this is peach punch. Can't be. But you know, like the Monster, the pink peachy kind of one, it tastes like that, only there isn't the caffeine in it. And I was saying like a couple of weeks ago, like I wish that Red Bull and like Monsters and stuff did a non-caffeine version, because I don't know why, I really like the taste of them. And sometimes I'm in a mood where I'm like, all I fancy is like a white Monster. And I know that's not very healthy, but it's true. Sometimes the heart wants what heart wants, or I fancy like a sugar-free Red Bull, and I'm like, yeah. And I just think that sometimes you don't need the caffeine and all the weird stuff you've put in it. You just want that like taste of it. And I know that's weird because you can buy so many different drinks, but like I said, the heart wants what the heart wants. So this here's a zero sugar, the Dr. Pepper cream swirl. I think it was 20 grams per 500 ml the other day. So this is 330 ml at 13 grams of sugar in the can. So that's not too bad for my diabetes friends out there. Speaking of diabetes, by the way, my insulin pump is going to be turned on in like 2 to 3 weeks. How exciting. I'm so nervous about it, but it's going to be a good thing. I know so many people on here, they have messaged me saying that it's going to be great, like it's going to be so good for me. They're so excited for me to have it. And yeah, I'm going to finally be brave enough to move from pen insulin to pump insulin after, well, 11 years of diabetes. So that is all that I bought from Home Bargains this morning. I'm very pleased with all of my little finds. All in all, I spent £30. The lady in front of me, right in the queue, she spent £174. I can see why, because like I said, that store is great. It's massive. They had everything in there. They had a bakery in there. They had like just everything Home Bargains usually has, but like on a great scale. Like I didn't even go around the whole store in my video because I was just in there for so long. And yeah, everything I feel like I see on their Instagrams and stuff, I know where it's going to be. It's going to be there, because that is going to be the point. That is going to be the one where you go and you're like, yeah, I know where they're going to have it. It's going to be there. You know, sometimes when you have like a really good store like that, if you see something online, you're like, oh yeah, I know the first place to go. that's going to be the home bargains for me, you know. I'm just, yeah, thrilled at that. And it's only like, well, 20 minutes to get there, so oh, amazing. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching the vlog yesterday. If you did, if you didn't, you need to watch it, because there were some really good things in store that I didn't buy. I was only trying to buy necessities, as you can probably tell. But yeah, thanks so much for hanging out with me the past couple of days. I'm gonna go start on my DIY now for these. That's why I kind of wanted to haul this stuff, because I thought I haven't done a haul in a while, and yeah, I want to get started on my DIY. So I'm gonna go. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye.